All right, this is part 3 of the video. So this is your typical adapter that most phones, even the Vilta, the Vision Vilta has this kind of funny thing. Most old phones, Android, have this kind of thing, as well as the possibility, I guess, of doing the opposite, which is USB-C to this thing, which this thing is on the, what is that thing called? Moblite 7. Moblite 7 has this kind of adapter, so if I wanted to attach it to that, I would have to use this here for this. So unfortunately, I do not have any of these connectors here, so this is how I power the thing. And so I will have to get a battery and convert it so that I have this.
Likey